I have one mission today. Destroy as... I have one mission. Destroy as many aircraft as possible. How I'm going to do that is... a lot of new people got the MAUS recently. And I feel like the #1 thing that kills a MAUS is aircraft. So we're going to pair the ZSU-57 and the R3 to eradicate all aircraft. That's my plan. Now, before we get to the gameplay, you gotta remember that there are 3 goals. #1, protect all MAUSes. #2, kill all aircraft. #3, kill any heat slinger that we see. We are also playing with Jardis. Alright, let's see. Desktop audio.
Ah! No! Ah! I dropped my water bottle, and it's open.
Yes, that Jardis. I don't even know where he is. That's the problem.
I don't know where he is either. No, actually, I do know where he is. He's just on the edge of the road.
Oh, there goes my gunner. #3, kill any heat slinger that we see.
Hey, I found the G6.
Kill him.
I'm gonna try.
I found the G6 too.
First shot. That was the first shot.
I got a perfect view of that. There's another one. There's nothing else out there. Oh.
Got him. It's a great vehicle already.
Oh, that's the T-34. Hope and pray. I'm dead, dude. Come on, I need to get one of those driver hatches. The Sherman.
I hear. Oh, I see a heli.
Heli. Heli.
How does that guy have? Oh, it's the bug.
He is the bug.
Oh, you got him.
He's spinning out of control. Alright, bud. Alright, bug. Oh my gosh, he's just getting faster and faster.
Oh, there's another one.
Ping.
It's not a bulldog though.
Ah! Now where he's at?
Shit, there's a heavy tank.
Got
He
him.
was not expecting that.
Protect the MAUS at all costs.
Right. We have our wall of protection.
Oh shit! MAUS been injured! I criticaled him. It's I don't even know what that is. Light, whatever it is.
My game is bugging out. Does MAUS not have extinguishers?
I guess not.
Dude, the MAUS has 3 anti-aircraft protection.
Oh yeah, dude, we gotta protect the MAUS.
Forwards.
This MAUS has an entire armada of machine guns.
He has 5 anti-aircraft.
He has 3 pets, dude.
Oh! Tracked him. Watch out, he's looking at us.
Oh, there's multiple. The MAUS is being surrounded. Look at the map. No, we just lost our weasel.
We got 50 called.
You must protect this MAUS.
This IS-4 has way more than enough armor to face off this guy.
Protect all mouses.
I want revenge.
Drop the
Oh,
bomb.
there's another one. Okay. I critical that dude.
Hey. What? We're killing
Plane,
him.
plane. Hostile, hostile, hostile.
Dude, I've survived.
That
Four bombs.
IS-4 just ate that.
Yeah, no. Come back around, man. Oh, shit.
Another aircraft inbound. I think he's going for them.
Oh my god, his own shot his bomb out of the air.
That was the
Yeah, his own shot his bomb.
IS-4. Holy shit.
Dude, I just witnessed that thing just explode like an atomic bomb.
Yeah, I witnessed that too. That's the aircraft I was calling out before it got freaking atomized in the air.
There's a American
Oh!
tank right there.
Sorry, I just had
Hey,
a jump
you
scare.
beat the Falcon to it.
Just had a midlife crisis right there.
A little bit, yeah.
How are you alive? Thank you for dying.
I have 5 kill assists. What the fuck?
Bounced like a couple of shots, thankfully. Mouse for the win. He only died once. Hey, this guy's only died once. Alright, the mouse only... Yeah, this guy's only died once, right? That's a pretty good achievement so far.
For a mouse.
Yeah, for being literally the size of a freaking building.
Hey, you didn't get bombed though. Oh.
Uh-oh. No! At least he didn't get... What?
A little bit far off.
Hit him, hit him, hit him. Oh, no.
My gun was too high for that.
You just parked yourself on the car, you can see.
Yep. Don't mind me. I feel bad for whoever's cars this is. Not really, but I'm out. You know, we parked the whole thing on there.
Just continuing rushing the car.
So he died, and then I obliterated him after he died.
Okay.
I like the eyeballs on this mouse.
We got an escort. Heli,
Heli.
heli. Switching to HE belts. There he is, I see him.
Where is he?
Hit him hard, I hit him really good with that HE.
I think
He's dead.
Awesome.
Dude, we're with you. Is that part of his username or is that his clan? Two mouths?
Yeah, usually the clan has some side,
Oh yeah, it has the
like-
bracket, so that's just part of his name. Oh wait, no, that's his clan or
Sure.
something. Oh, that's an awesome one right there. That Bach, the backhand.
the bang cannon.
Look at his. Coom.
Coom. Think you see somebody?
Oh, I'm just protecting the mouse, protecting the president right now.
Mr. President! As Mr. President's literally the biggest bunker in the game.
He's our armor instead of we're being.
Protect me, Mr. President!
He's the firepower instead.
Gotta see, it's protect me, Mr. President.
We're protecting him from the assets he can't defend himself against, but he's protecting us from the things that we can protect ourselves against. It's kind of
It's
like a
mutual benefit.
Oh, right side.
can't see you.
Eat lead.
Eat lead, you bastard.
Alien robot.
Oh, it's a BTR.
It is. Hey, we got tanks to our left, close left. Alleyway.
So gonna die.
This mouse
a
has led
Russian
us to a
tank.
trap, man. We have to protect the mouse. We can't leave him.
Yeah, we're stuck here.
Can't see.
Oh shit! You.
Oh! Oh, pull me!
Oh my god.
The engine was out. It's not. Mouse, protect us! I'm on fire! Mouse alive?
Barrel this guy.
I'm good.
Holy shit! The entire Russian army is over here.
Yeah, they really are. Mouse, protect me! Yes!
I got one.
Mouse is protecting me! Yes, thank you!
Get me the fuck out of here. Oh, he's
Otherwise,
moving again.
Answer. Thank you.
Protect me, Zane. Protect me. You
Coming,
have enough
coming.
penetration.
Oh,
Give me that
have him
penetration,
overextend. Have him
give me
overextend. Have him overextend.
And then
Building-
track him.
Move. Go closer for me.
Thank you.
Got you covered. Mouse, we must
Oh.
protect the mouse. Repair the mouse. Artillery. Ugh.
Zane.
Do not let the mouse die.
Oh, there's an enemy tank over here on B. Never mind. No, there's still a guy over here.
I murdered a BTR. Uh-oh.
An M50 is the Ontos.
Jared, I'm in a pickle. There's a T-54 pushing me.
Shoot him. I'm gonna try and lower plate him.
You might be able to see him in a second.
I almost got him.
Not that strong of a turret. Plane. I want to go home. What the hell was that? Plane,
Aircraft.
you good?
Fucking idiot.
Mouse
he
is
missed.
dead!
No!
Got him.
Track and barrel. Oh my god, there's a doom turtle. Get me out of here. I tracked him.
I called already on him.
Is this barrel really out on the E5? He just fired at me. Oh my gosh. Just artillery at him.
I did, and I got killed by a bulldog.
It was a Yag Tiger.
I just murdered a T-92.
Yag Tiger, go to sea, man. You gotta kill that dude.
So we didn't complete any of our goals, but Jardis was killing it in the Kugel Blitz. On the other hand, I wasn't, even though my most played vehicle is the... Never mind. Alright, well, please like and subscribe, so maybe one day I can get get a tank of my own, like the M8 Greyhound. Anyways, peace.